Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And in this video I will show you how to download and install Mixpad video editor, a fantastic video editing video mixing software for your Windows or Mac operating system. In this video I will show you how to download and install. Okay, so without wasting time, go to our browser and search here Mixpad and open the first website nch.com. Okay, multi-tracking recording software. Multi-track mixing and recording software. Record your mix. Support VST plugin, beat maker, include music library, unlimited tracks, audio effects, many audio effects, working signature you can see here. These are the feature and capabilities of the software you can see here. And after the mixing software feature, makes unlimited number of audio, music, sound, voice tracks, and other. You can read all the features here. Create mix in 3 steps. Only 3 steps. Record. First step is to record. Start recording your mix from scratch or upload an existing sound file. Okay. Edit. Easily you create an amazing mix with great effect in perfect digital quality. Okay. After that, mix. Take your mix wherever you go to share with friends online. Okay. After that, multi-track mixing editor. These are the other many features of the software. Okay, you can always also download for Windows, Mac operating system, and iOS store, and Play Store for Android. Okay, download all the devices for all devices. Okay, and you can purchase here the full version and download this trial version here. Okay, after that we will click here download Mixpad, and you can see here the 2-3 MB setup of installer of Mixpad has been started to be downloaded and is completed. Okay, show in folder and run it as administrator and allow yes. After that, next I accept the license term and installing Mixpad. Okay, you can see that Mixpad for your PC has to be installed onto your PC. Click to get start here, and okay, this is the Mixpad working interface software. Okay, you can see here, and if you want to uh, edit a video, first thing you can see here, this is unless this is the free trial version of your software. Open here any file video. Okay, and you can see here, select this, and Mixpad is working on it. And you can see here the audio file is uploaded in the timeline of Mixpad, and you can edit here its many effects and other audio, video, visual effects and features are available here. You can see here the properties and everything of software of any clip of audio and video file. Okay, by the way friends, you can also download and install Mixpad for your PC trial version in this way. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video. Thank you so much.